The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 makes tables a thing of the past. I can't believe it any more than you can, but it's true. So with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Samsung addressed quite a lot of shortcomings of its predecessor. They update the camera, bringing it on par with their S-series counterpart. They increased the width in the phone so the cover screen is not so claustrophobic. They also fixed the battery life despite not upgrading the capacity thanks to a more efficient chipset. After the launch of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, we saw a new Xiaomi's foldable device Mix Fold 2. There are a lot of people talking about the thickness of Z Fold 4 and the hinge design of Xiaomi Mix Fold 2, which is quite flat compared to the Z Fold 4. But Chinese phone makers are using a different mechanism to display their folds in a water drop style. This allows them to minimize the crease significantly, and the display looks way better than Samsung. But Samsung decided not to use it because it's not water resistant yet. Samsung is the only company offering IPX8 water resistant rating for their foldable phones. Since Z Fold 4 is better than S22 Ultra will many key areas, including cameras and most more in the battery. Despite having 108 megapixel on S22 Ultra, Z Fold 4 is getting more accurate pictures than the S22 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 with 4,400 mAh battery beat S22 Ultra with a 5,000 mAh battery, whereas Z Fold 4 gave over 9 hours of screen on time. Other than that, both phones shares the same ultra-wide sensor, but Z Fold 4 didn't have periscope 10x zoom. So if you are a person who takes a lot of zoomed-in photos, then Z Fold 4 is not a best option for you. Both phones shares the same specs. 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, 512 gigs of storage or 1 TB version, but S22 Ultra 128 gigs of storage. The CEO of Samsung Mobile is so confident in foldable phones that he believes that foldables will become the smartphone standard by 2025. He also said foldables items will take up more than 50% of Samsung total premium smartphone shipments. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 or S22 Ultra, which one would you prefer and which one do you have right now? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 software experience is largely similar to Fold 3 with the new main addition of the taskbar. It's a handy new feature that lets you launch recent applications quickly and also put them in split screen mode. This is by far best comfortable phone to use in split screen with all that big screen area you have. Last year models, the speakers and haptics are also on point. Are you guys up for Z Fold 4, and do you guys think it's a good to have IPX rating on Z Fold 4? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.